Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yota. I'm thrilled to have you here today. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so and click the notification bell. I am fast approaching my 1-year YouTube anniversary, so I'm super excited, and I'm planning a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. And it would be awesome if I could reach 1,000 subscribers by March, my 1-year anniversary. So that's pushing it a bit. I'm about halfway there, a little less than halfway there. If you guys, get your family, your friends, everybody you know to subscribe, that would just be amazing, because I'm really excited to finally be planning my very first YouTube giveaway. Now, today's video is an unboxing, and I am super excited about this little item, and I could not wait to come on here today and show you guys what I got. Before we get started, those of you that have been watching my videos regularly know that I did a luxury wish list video not a little while before Christmas, I think, and this little item that I got was on my wish list. So I was really excited when I actually scored this item. It's a small item, and I have looked for this on the website. I've looked for it when I've been in the boutique, and I just have not been able to get my hands on it until now. So I was really excited to come on here today and show you guys what I got. So let's get into the video. Did you guys hear that? My husband yelled from downstairs, "I'm home." So I don't know if that picked up or not, but I think that it did. So anyway, that is so funny. All right, so let's go ahead and see what little goodie that I got. I was just so happy. I was thinking that I would probably call the Louis Vuitton and call for availability, because I just never could find it. Every time I would look on the website, it would say call for availability. And so I was about ready to do that, and I was up late one night, about 1 o'clock in the morning. I looked on the website and there it was. Well, I just looked on there a minute ago before I came to film this video, and it's already call for availability. So okay, so let's just remove the ribbon. And I'm not one for long unboxing, so let's just go for it. And it's got the little, I love these kind of boxes because I love to store jewelry and things like that in them. And it is a small leather good. What do you guys think it is? You can put in the comments below what your guess is, because if you are familiar with my videos, I did mention a couple of small leather goods. Even though I'm not a huge small leather good person, this is just one that I've been dying for. So what do you guys think I got? All right, so here it is. I got the little round coin purse. I'm so excited that I finally got this little item. You guys, I have wanted this for probably a year now or longer. I would say probably a year and a half. I've been looking for it. And I know that you can always call for availability, and normally you can find it, but I guess I just kept looking on the website, and it's always call for availability. I've looked around the boutiques, but I looked on there late one night, I think it was like 1 in the morning, and there it was. So I got it, and I'm super excited that I got it, and it is just so cute. I don't know, here's the little cards on the inside. I don't know why something like this makes us so happy, but it's just something that I wanted. And like I said, I'm not really a huge small leather goods person. I've thought about doing a video on my collection of small leather goods, which I wouldn't really call it a collection, because the small leather goods that I own are just ones that I use all the time, like in my bag. So I don't really, I don't ever, feel the need to have, this, or, all the different ones with the different patterns, the damier bean, the monogram, the azure. I just don't feel the need to get a lot of small leather goods. That's just not my thing. Okay, you guys, I feel like I'm really rambling today. I think my excitement over this little cutie has gotten a hold of my mouth and I'm just rambly. So I'm sorry about that, but I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my cute little item. And so I can scratch this off my wish list for 2019. So one down and few more to go. And so while I'm here today, I thought, because I've had so many requests and questions about my Tori Burch bag that I showed you guys the other day. I've had so many requests about this bag, and you guys, this is one of my favorite bags. I know I say that about all of them, but this bag is absolutely amazing. And I love Tori Burch. I love the price point. I love the quality of it, and like I said, I know really good bags, and this is a fantastic bag. So I thought I would show you really quick. I'm not at the table, but I thought I would show you really quick what all fits inside, and it is a great everyday bag. And you can see that I have it absolutely stuffed, and I could put a few more things in there. As a matter of fact, I could put my little coin purse in there. Let's just stuff it right there next to my toiletry 19. Now a toiletry 15 is also on my wish list, so I can just snap it very easily and it fits in there. So there's just, it's stuffed. There's quite a bit of items in this bag, and I'm just going to show you guys what all that it holds, because if you are considering this bag, do not wait. It is a fantastic, and Tori Burch, like I said, they have great price points, but they also do a lot of sales. So you can have a beautiful bag, and it is luxury quality all the way. I believe that it is. And so I'm just absolutely in love with it, and I'm going to show you guys what all I have in my bag. Well, I'll do this really fast. Like I said, it's absolutely stuffed to the brim. Okay, I have my, actually these are Prada Sunnies, and they're in a soft case. So I always, or normally use a soft case with just about any bag that I carry. So I have my Sunnies. I, of course, have my Louis Vuitton round coin purse that you guys just saw me unbox. Exciting. Okay, I also have my little, I used this as a coin purse ever since I got it when I was in Spain, but now I think I'll use it, and I'm tongue-tied. I already have been doing this. I always like just put some extra dollars in there or just some cards, and so I just love this little thing. And then the front of it pops open. I think I have a couple of Tylenols and a couple of toothpicks in there. I don't know, it's just a catch-all, but I love it. All right, I have my Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet that I absolutely love, and I've carried it every day since the day I got it, about probably a year ago. Okay, and I'm old school. I carry around a checkbook because if I ever like leave it at home, then I need it. So I have that. I have a protein bar, so I have that. Oh, I have just a pair of readers. I have those. I have, the big item that I have is, of course, my toiletry 19, and I would love to have this in a 15 because it would save space. And so that's the next item that I'm going to try to get my hands on as far as a small leather good that will be very used. But I use this, and I've used this one for about 6 or 7 years now. Love it. And it's got some makeup in it and just other things. It's a catch-all. And then of course I have my 6-ring key holder that I absolutely love and could not live without. And that's all that I have in it, but that's all of my necessities. So everything, I'll put it all back in there, fits in there very comfortably. And like I said, if I had that toiletry 15, then I would have even more space. But this is a great bag. I will link it down below, the McGraw bag, and I just absolutely love it. And I am considering getting another bag in another color. The red is gorgeous. I've thought about the black. I do have quite a few black bags, but I love black, and I can never have enough black bags. So I don't know. I'm thinking about getting another one because of the price point. I mean, you can get like 4 of these for what you could get 1 luxury bag for. Okay, so everything's back in there and it's not overstuffed. It's just, you know, like I said, there's a back pocket here. There's plenty of room, you know, to put more things. Now, I would have my cell phone in this bag. I forgot to mention that, but I'm filming on it. But it easily fits in this back pocket, and that's normally where I carry it. Or it would easily fit back in the bag. So, so that's what I have in my Tori Burch bag. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I will see you again by the weekend. Have a great week, guys. Bye-bye.